Did you know that over 15 million Snickers bars are made every single day? That's right, 15 million. Imagine the sheer volume of chocolate, caramel, and peanuts that go into making these delicious treats. It's a staggering number that highlights just how popular Snickers bars are around the world. That's enough to satisfy a sweet craving in almost every country on Earth. From bustling cities to remote villages, Snickers bars have found their way into the hearts and hands of people everywhere. Whether it's a quick snack during a busy day or a treat to enjoy while relaxing, Snickers bars are a go-to choice for millions. What is it about this chocolate, caramel, and peanut concoction that has captivated the globe? Is it the perfect balance of flavors, the satisfying crunch of the peanuts, or the rich, creamy caramel that makes it so irresistible? Perhaps it's the combination of all these elements that creates a truly unique and delightful experience with every bite. Let's dive into the delicious world of Snickers and uncover the secrets behind this iconic candy bar. From its humble beginnings to its rise as a global phenomenon, we'll explore the history, the ingredients, and the passion that goes into making every Snickers bar. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to satisfy your curiosity and your sweet tooth as we take a closer look at one of the world's favorite treats. The Snickers bar has been a beloved treat since its debut in 1930. Created by Mars Incorporated, it quickly rose to fame for its satisfying combination of textures and flavors. The crunchy peanuts, chewy caramel, and smooth milk chocolate create a symphony of sensations that has cemented its place in candy history. Many myths surround the ingredients and nutritional value of a Snickers bar. Some believe it's loaded with artificial ingredients and provides no nutritional value. While it's true that Snickers is a treat best enjoyed in moderation, it's not devoid of some nutritional elements. Let's break down the components and separate fact from fiction. At the heart of a Snickers bar lies a nougat center. This nougat is the foundation upon which all the other delicious layers are built. It's a soft, chewy base that provides the perfect contrast to the other textures in the bar. But what exactly is nougat and how is it made? This fluffy, chewy base is made from simple ingredients like egg whites, sugar, and corn syrup. The process begins with whipping the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. This creates a light and airy texture that is essential for the nougat. Sugar and corn syrup are then heated to a specific temperature and slowly added to the whipped egg whites. This mixture is then beaten until it becomes thick and glossy, creating the perfect nougat consistency. Next comes a layer of caramel, a gooey delight made by carefully heating sugar until it transforms into a rich amber liquid. Caramelization is a delicate process that requires precise temperature control. The sugar must be heated slowly to avoid burning, and it must be stirred constantly to ensure even cooking. Once the sugar reaches the right temperature, it is combined with butter and cream to create a smooth, velvety caramel. This caramel is then poured over the nougat layer, adding a sweet and buttery flavor that complements the chewy nougat perfectly. Then, we have the star ingredient peanuts. These crunchy nuts add a satisfying texture and a rich, nutty flavor to the Snickers bar. But not just any peanuts will do. The peanuts used in Snickers bars are carefully selected for their size and quality. They are then roasted to bring out their natural oils and enhance their flavor. Roasted to perfection, they provide a satisfying crunch and a dose of protein and healthy fats. The roasting process is crucial as it not only enhances the flavor of the peanuts, but also gives them a crisp texture that contrasts beautifully with the soft nougat and gooey caramel. Once roasted, the peanuts are evenly distributed over the caramel layer, ensuring that every bite of a Snickers bar contains a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Finally, the entire bar is enrobed in a smooth coating of milk chocolate, adding a final touch of sweetness and indulgence. The chocolate coating is made from high-quality cocoa beans that are roasted and ground to create a rich, smooth chocolate. This chocolate is then tempered to give it a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when bitten into. The Snickers bars are passed through a chocolate enrobing machine, which ensures that each bar is evenly coated in a thick layer of chocolate. This final step not only adds a delicious chocolate flavor, but also helps to hold all the layers together, creating the perfect balance of nougat, caramel, peanuts, and chocolate in every bite. And there you have it, the delicious layers that make up a Snickers bar. Each component is carefully crafted to create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. From the soft, chewy nougat to the gooey caramel, crunchy peanuts, and smooth milk chocolate, every bite of a Snickers bar is a delightful experience. So the next time you enjoy a Snickers bar, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and care that goes into creating this iconic treat. One of the most fascinating aspects of Snickers production is the caramel making process. It's a delicate dance of temperature and timing. The sugar must be heated to a precise temperature to achieve the perfect caramel consistency. Not too runny, not too firm. This process requires specialized equipment and a keen eye from the candy makers. Section 6. From factory floor to your face. The production of Snickers is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Each bar is the result of a sophisticated process that combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. It involves a carefully orchestrated sequence of steps, from creating the nougat and caramel to roasting and coating the peanuts. The nougat, a fluffy and sweet base, is made by whipping egg whites and sugar until they form a light, airy texture. This is then combined with a rich, creamy caramel, made by slowly heating sugar until it melts and turns a golden brown. The ingredients are combined on a massive scale, traveling along conveyor belts and through intricate machinery. The peanuts, which are roasted to perfection, add a crunchy texture that complements the smoothness of the nougat and caramel. These elements are then layered together, creating the iconic Snickers bar. Despite the automation, quality control remains paramount, with trained inspectors ensuring each bar meets the highest standards. Every Snickers bar is checked for consistency in size, shape, and weight. Inspectors also ensure that the chocolate coating is evenly distributed and that there are no defects in the final product. This rigorous quality control process ensures that every bar that reaches the consumer is of the highest quality. Once the bars have passed inspection, they are carefully packaged to maintain their freshness and flavor. The packaging process is just as precise as the production, with machines wrapping each bar in a protective layer that keeps it safe during transport. Workers oversee this process, making sure that each package is sealed correctly and that the bars are ready for shipment. From the factory floor, the Snickers bars are loaded onto trucks and transported to distribution centers. These centers play a crucial role in ensuring that the bars reach stores and consumers in perfect condition. The logistics involved in this process are complex, with careful planning required to ensure timely delivery. Finally, the Snickers bars arrive at stores where they are stocked on shelves and ready for purchase. Customers can be confident that each bar they buy has been made with care and precision, from the factory floor to their hands. The journey of a Snickers bar is a testament to the dedication and expertise of everyone involved in its production. Section 7. Snickers, a Symphony of Sweetness. The Snickers bar is more than just a candy bar. It's a carefully crafted combination of flavors and textures that has stood the test of time. From the chewy nougat to the crunchy peanuts and the smooth chocolate coating, each element plays a crucial role in creating the overall Snickers experience. Section 8. Join the Snickers conversation. What's your favorite thing about a Snickers bar? Is it the chewy caramel, the crunchy peanuts, or the smooth chocolate? Section 9. Unwrap more candy secrets. The world of candy is full of fascinating facts and surprising processes. If you enjoyed learning about the making of Snickers, be sure to check out our other articles exploring the secrets behind your favorite treats.